Hi, I'm Samantha, and I'm in 2nd grade.
Which sister are you?
Big sister.
What do you do in school?
I learn.
What do you like to do?
Chase boys at recess.
Chase boys at recess. What else do you do?
I like math and social studies and recess.
You like to read?
So for today's video every day in February, I'm going to show you how to transfer your old home movies into digital files or DVDs in just a few steps. So in order to do this, you need some kind of converter. So I went on Amazon, and for 80 bucks, I picked up the VidBox Video Conversion Suite. And it seems to work really great. And I got the one that is both compatible with a PC and with my Mac. And basically it comes with the DVD software, which don't exactly know where it is because I already installed it into my computer, and the actual converter, which has these ports and this port.
Love can be for us. No need to feel love.
You singing right, Rachel?
I'm gonna get you if you got your face off. I'm gonna get you if you you can bet your time to say no, never say no. I'm gonna get you, it's a matter of time. I'm gonna get you, don't you worry about that. You can bet your fire in time. I'm gonna be mine. Just like I should, I'll get you good.
So glad this isn't something we have to deal with in 2018. Okay, so it's pretty self-explanatory. You just follow the instructions. Once you download the software onto your computer, you just open it like this. And what I found works best for me is when I use the VCR as my video playback device. You can choose your camcorder, your TV and antenna, DVD player, anything like that, but what works for me, and with my setup, I use the VCR option. Then I hit next. I use the composite rather than the S-video, and you have to connect your devices. So next I just plug these cables into the VidBox converter and plug the USB into my laptop, and I should still have this screen just to double check that I'm doing everything correctly. And usually I say 2 hours for the home videos because I'm guesstimating. But if you know the exact length of the video that you are converting, you can obviously change that part. So I usually save my home videos in my hard drive under home videos. And next I need to figure out exactly which video I want to do. And I name the file accordingly. So whatever's on this screen should match what's in this little box on my laptop. So since it matches, I'm gonna hit play on the VCR right here and hit record. I've always really loved watching home videos and just feeling nostalgic and reliving the past and just seeing how cute my sisters and I were when we were little. So it's become kind of a project of mine to convert all of the VHS tapes we have to digital files, because I've done some research. I read, VHS tapes don't last forever, they deteriorate over time. So I suggest if you are going to do something like this, to do it as soon as possible, to convert them into either digital files or to DVDs, which are going to last a lot longer than VHS tapes. So that is my process for converting VHS home videos into digital files. If you have more than one tape, which I'm assuming that you will, all you have to do is pop the tape out of the VHS player, switch it out, and hit record again on the laptop once the screens match up. Not too complicated, and hopefully that helps. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Hopefully I can help. And I will also link the video converter that I use. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
We're triplets. Very good. No, let's do it again. 1, 2, 3. We're triplets because we have the same shirts on. We're triplets.
Where'd you get those shirts from?
Daddy.
Daddy brought them back from Myrtle Beach last time.
His friend. I'm the big sister. I'm the big sister. I'm the middle sister. I'm the little sister. And we're all sisters. Go on.
You're pretty cute sisters.